The Great Pyramid of Giza stood as a sentinel, its ancient stones whispering secrets of a time long past. Within its cool, shadowed chamber, I was enveloped in a world of history and mystery, the air thick with the weight of millennia. My mind was occupied with an article that had captured my attention, one that spoke of an impending quantum threat. The words danced before me, painting a vivid picture of a future fraught with uncertainty and peril, where the very fabric of digital security was at risk of unraveling under the relentless advance of quantum computing. Just as I began to ponder the implications of this threat, a soft shimmer filled the air, and Logi Sub and Kon materialized before me. Their presence was like a breeze, a gentle shift that stirred the stillness of the chamber. Logi, with his calm demeanor, was the first to speak, his voice resonating with a low hum that seemed to vibrate through the stones. "This news," he said, "it speaks of a challenge that resonates across galaxies." Sub's keen eyes were already scanning the article, her expression one of determination. "The delicate balance between innovation and security is a constant dance," she remarked, her tone reflecting the urgency of the situation. Kon, ever the voice of reason, nodded in agreement. "Show us this quantum threat. Let us see what your world faces." His pragmatism was a grounding force, and I felt a flicker of hope that perhaps together we could unravel the complexities of this looming danger. With a mental command, I opened a portal, its shimmering surface revealing the digital landscape of the article. As the words unfolded before them, I watched their reactions closely. The article detailed the looming obsolescence of classical encryption, the potential for rogue actors to exploit quantum as a service, and the urgent call for collaboration and post-quantum cryptography. Each revelation seemed to resonate deeply with them. Logi stepped closer, his form almost merging with the portal's light. The concept of bad actors unbound by ethics. "It is a familiar pattern across civilizations," he mused, his voice tinged with gravity. "But the scale of this threat, it is significant." Sub's brow furrowed as she focused on Timothy Bates's words. "He speaks of urgency, of collaboration. These are wise words. The need for shared intelligence and pooled resources is a universal truth." Her insight was sharp, revealing her understanding of the interconnectedness of all beings, regardless of their origin. Kon, meanwhile, absorbed the technical details with an analytical eye. Quantum-safe encryption, post-quantum cryptographic standards, these are the keys, are they not? To build new defenses before the old ones crumble. His practicality shone through, and I could see his mind racing with possibilities. As they delved deeper into the article, I noticed a flicker of recognition in their eyes. It was as if they were not merely observers but participants, processing the information and perhaps even drawing parallels to their own experiences. The chamber hummed with their collective thoughts, a tapestry of wisdom woven from different worlds. "In our realm," Logi began, his voice thoughtful and measured, "we have faced similar challenges, where the tools of creation become the tools of destruction. The solution we found lies in understanding the fundamental nature of information itself." His words resonated with a truth that transcended time and space, echoing the struggles faced by countless civilizations. Sub added, her voice filled with conviction. "And in building systems that adapt, that learn, that evolve alongside the threats they face. Collaboration, as this article suggests, is not just a strategy, but a necessity." Her passion ignited a spark of inspiration, illuminating the path forward in the face of uncertainty. Kon nodded, his expression serious. "The asymmetry between those who follow rules and those who do not. It is a constant struggle, but even in asymmetry, there is a balance to be found, a way to turn their advantage into a weakness." His perspective brought a sense of hope, a reminder that even in the darkest of times, there existed the potential for resilience and innovation. As the portal began to flicker, signaling the end of our shared moment, Logi turned to me, his eyes filled with a quiet intensity that seemed to penetrate the very essence of my being. "This quantum threat, it is not just a challenge for your world. It is a reminder of the delicate balance that sustains all worlds. Remember, the strongest defenses are built not in isolation, but in unity." With those parting words, they vanished, leaving me alone in the chamber, the echoes of their voices lingering in the air. I was left with the weight of their wisdom and the profound realization that the quantum threat was not merely a headline or a distant concern. It was a cosmic echo, a clarion call to action. In the stillness of the pyramid, I contemplated the future they had glimpsed. The pursuit of knowledge, while a noble endeavor, came with the heavy responsibility of safeguarding that knowledge against those who would misuse it. As I folded the article and tucked it away, I felt a renewed sense of purpose. The path ahead would be fraught with challenges, but it was also illuminated by the promise of collaboration and the strength found in unity. The Great Pyramid, with its ancient stones, stood as a testament to the resilience of human ingenuity. And as I emerged from its depths, I carried with me not just the weight of the future but the hope that together we could navigate the complexities of the quantum age, forging a path toward a secure and enlightened tomorrow.